A severe thunderstorm.
Shit.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, Newport County in Rhode Island, northeastern Kent County in Rhode Island, eastern Providence County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Millbury to Johnston to South Kingstown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boston, Providence, Cambridge, New Bedford, Boston, Quincy, Fall River, Newton, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Framingham, Brookline, Plymouth, Taunton, Weymouth, East Providence, Braintree, Dartmouth, and Cumberland. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Situate, or near Johnston, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Smithfield, Providence, Pawtucket, Attleboro, and Norton. Hazards include 80 miles
PDS.
per hour wind gusts. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Boston Harbor, Buzzards Bay, Cape Cod Bay, coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay, and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary. Coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts, out 20 nautical miles.